A very good morning to everyone. Today, I, Ananya Sharma of Class 10A of Arvachin International School, welcome you to the Digital Assembly on World Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th of June every year. The World Environment Day is the United Nations Day for encouraging worldwide awareness and actions to protect our environment. It also aims to inspire more and more people to take the action to prevent the growing strain on the planet. Friends, we all know that the health and protection of the environment is a major issue which affects the well being of all the people and the economic development throughout the world. To enlighten us more on this, let us welcome Arnav Balian of Class 5A who will give a speech on it.
Good morning, one and all. Today we are here to celebrate a very important day, that is World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year to create awareness about nature and protecting the environment. It was first celebrated in 1974 and the slogan was Only One Earth. Environment plays an important role in our lives. Our earth is the home for various living organisms. We all are dependent on the environment for the air we breathe, the food we eat, the water we drink, and other needs. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. It is a process of restoring or bringing back the ecosystem that has been damaged or destroyed by activities like pollution, industrialization, deforestation, etc. All these result in global warming, species extinction, and drain of natural resources. In the beginning, God created the universe. It was spectacular in every way. There were beautiful trees, colorful birds, a variety of animals, and many more beautiful things on the earth. The world was indeed impeccable. Then he decided that all these creatures need a leader. So he created mankind. Then the environmental degradation started. First, man started using the resources. With time, it became misuse and overuse. Many of us know that the threat from climate change is real, urgent, serious, and growing by each day. You may wonder, how are we responsible for this? Excessive use of paper, electronic gadgets, wastage of water and food are something we knowingly do. So as a student, what can we do? We can take little steps toward restoring our environment, like planting a sapling, consuming food and water consciously and responsibly, and reducing the usage of technology to a minimum. Let us start by putting rubbish in the correct bins, implementing the 4R: refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let us plant trees and go green. Of course, stopping pollution is the best solution. Let us not be selfish because nature cannot be purchased by money. Let's be more environmentally oriented and help restore a spectacular Mother Earth. The environment has given us so much. Now it is our duty to keep it safe for the next generation. Let us nurture nature for a better future. Thank you.
Indeed, very informative. Now let us welcome Om and Avni of Class 8 who will illuminate us through a powerful skit on the causes of climate change and the ways to save our environment. Please welcome them.
Good morning to all. Today, I and my friend Agni of class 8 are going to perform a skit on World Environmental Day. Hi,
Hi.
have you read the newspaper today?
No, I haven't. What's the matter? You look a bit tensed.
The headlines say that many parts of various continents and islands are on the verge of drowning.
Oh, really?
But why is all this happening?
Because of global warming.
How come?
Global warming is the increase of temperature in the Earth's atmosphere. Rising temperature melts down the ice in the glaciers, and poles. As a result, a lot of water increases in the oceans and seas. That is why the land near the sea level is drowning.
Oh, but what's the reason behind it?
Us.
What?
Yes, we humans are the reason behind it. We are disturbing our nature's balance.
How come?
Global warming is the effect of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, and the increase in these gases is all our fault.
I read in the newspaper that things like air conditioners and refrigerators have a lot of CFC in it.
What is CFC?
CFC means chlorofluorocarbon. It's a harmful gas that is bad for our environment and it is present in your spray too.
Oh no, is it that harmful for the environment? I need to dispose it. Do you know the fact that by harming Mother Earth and nature, we are harming ourselves, and using tissue paper is also bad.
Yeah, that is also taken from the environment. And I think this planet is not only ours, but there are many other species.
And nature has made us superior to take care of it. There's a lot we can do good for our earth by following some eco-friendly usage.
But we are just doing the opposite. I have an idea. I will change my plastic bags with the cloth ones.
And we will plant a sapling every week.
Yeah, let's do a bit for the environment and request other students too. Let's save our Mother Nature together. Happy Environmental Day.
Truly a powerful performance. Next in line is a beautiful Hindi poem to be recited by Vedant Sharma of class 5A titled Paryavaran Bachao.
मैं वेदांत शर्मा कक्षा 5 का विद्यार्थी आज आपके सामने पर्यावरण के ऊपर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। आओ मिलकर कसम खाएं, प्रदूषण को दूर भगाएं, प्रदूषण को दूर भगाकर वातावरण को स्वच्छ बनाएं। बीमारी रूपी मुसीबत सबके हिस्से में आया है, चाहे कम हो या ज्यादा, सबने प्रदूषण फैलाया है। प्रदूषण को इस तरह से जो बढ़ाओगे, आने वाली पीढ़ियों को कैसे मुंह दिखाओगे? गांव को गांव रहने दो, शहर नहीं बनाएंगे, वरना ये हवाएं और पानी प्रदूषित हो जाएंगी। स्वच्छ वायु के लिए हमें कुछ कर दिखाना होगा। इन पेड़ों बाग बगीचों को कटने से बचाना होगा। ये पेड़ पौधे हैं जीवन हमारे, इन्हें ना काटो तुम, एक काटो तो 4 लगाओ तुम। पेड़ लगाओ, शुद्ध हवा पाओ, इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाओ। आओ मिलकर कसम खाएं, प्रदूषण को दूर भगाएं। धन्यवाद।
Very thought provoking. Next, we have Sanskriti of class 9A who will make us pledge on the World Environment Day. Let us pledge for the environmental protection for peace and harmony. I would request all of you to join in this pledge for World Environment Protection.
I pledge I will save energy. I promise to turn off lights and electronics when not being used. I will walk, bike, or share rides with my friends and family with permission if possible.
I pledge I will conserve the resources. I will use refillable bottles for drinking. I will not waste water. I will use reusable bags for shopping.
I pledge I will not litter. I promise to put trash into proper receptacles. I will remember to recycle and will help others to keep the earth clean and green each day.
I pledge I will protect our planet. I promise to celebrate Earth Day every day. It is our responsibility to keep the earth healthy for people and animals.
Let us always remember that saving our planet is not one man's responsibility. It's a shared responsibility. Let us all take whatever baby steps that we can for saving our Mother Earth and bringing back plants and animals from the brink of extinction, from the peaks of the mountains to the depths of the sea. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants for their efforts. Our teachers, Mrs. Surya Lakshmi, Mrs. Rachna Kaur, Mrs. Sutekshna, Miss Akshima, Mrs. Anju, and Mrs. Vijeta Sharma for their guidance and support. I would also like to thank our principal, Mrs. Nair, for her incessant motivation and guidance. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे